Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ivy's YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to explore the Prep AI by Ivy Professional School, and especially we are going to focus on the new features that we have put it in our website called the projects based section. Right now, if you don't know what is the Prep AI, how this is going to work, so click on the above link where you will get all the details about the Prep AI. Now, let's jump into the straight to this video and see what is the new feature. Now, if you don't know about the PrepAI, just give me 5 seconds. I'll explain you what is a PrepAI. So most of the students learn skills, but they struggle to showcase their projects professionally. That is why the PrepAI by Ivy Professional School come to this picture. So what is a PrepAI? It's an AI-powered platform designed to help the learners to diagnose their skill gap, build job-ready resumes, prepare for the interviews, and most importantly, present their projects in a professional way. Now, PrepAI combines multiple careers tools in a one single platform. So you don't need to go with different platform to create an ATS resume friendly or to solve a business interview question. Now, in this platform, it has a ATS friendly resume. So there is a two-way. Either you can create a resume from scratch by filling up a form or details. The second one is you can target a JD. Let's say there is a JD that you got from a company's website, and you can put it the JD and put it your resume as well. It will align all the skills that are related to the JD and give you a ATS or a line based resume based on the JD. Now, learn through AI generated roadmap is also there. There are different roadmap that you can follow to prepare your skill as well, and talk to the career coaches as well. You can talk with the career coaches and how to identify your gaps, skill gaps, and also there's a one more important good features that you can ask anything related to the tools, right? Or you can solve assessment or quizzes. So this is a platform all power in one single platform. And today we have launched the projects based sections, so you can showcase your skills or the projects, right? So let's jump into this website. So if you come over here in the sign in button, now first that you need to sign in, right? I've already logged in into my ID. You can log in into the free. Now come to this resume section part. Now you can create resume from scratch or you can upload the resume as well. Since I have already uploaded my resume, so I will come to this website, then come to this section where you can see this edit option. Now if you click on the edit option, these all of the informations that you put it into your resume that will show over here. So this is a personal details that you have. Now over here in the first one, the profile photo, let me upload some profile photo that I have. I am just randomly uploaded a photo, right? Now this is a photo that I've uploaded. Now my name, let me write my full name, my job title, my professional summary. Now the email ID, the phone number, the address, call the city, state, and LinkedIn profile, which is the important one. I can put my LinkedIn profile as well and the GitHub profile, right? So let me give my LinkedIn profile as well. Click on save information. This is part done. Now work experience. If you come over here, you can put your work experience, job title, company, locations, start date, end date, and the resume. This is for the working professional. So if you are working professional, you can put it your title, your company. If you are fresher, just keep blank as it is. Don't fill the work experience. Come to the education part. You can put all the education part, that say what where you what was the university, what was the degree that you have, what was the location, and the CGPA and everything that you can also put. Save education field screen, let's say commerce, right? And click on save. Add education, you can add another one. Let's say I can add one more one where I can put Ivy Professional School. I can give, and I can say data science course, right? You can give your data science or machine learning course that you have specialize in data science, right? And you can click on the save education. Now, if you come over here, certification, whether you have a certificate from Ivy, you can put it over here, over whether you have a bootcamp certificate that you can also put it over here. And the last part, which is the skill section, which is a very important, whatever tools that you have learned, put all the skills over here. And now the finally the project sections that we have put it in our website. Now let me tell you how this is going to be work. And let's say this project section, you can add, if you are a free user, you can add 8 projects in this website. Now, this entire section is connected with your resume. So if you put 8 projects, now you cannot show 8 projects into your resume, right? Now that is the part where you need to be more attention. If you click on the project, let's say I have given a project. Let me give my real project which I have built. Let's say project name is retail sales analysis. Project URL, let's say you post your project into LinkedIn, you can put your LinkedIn post URL over here. That is also fine. And you can give the start date or end date. Let's say I will say it's an ongoing project. Now I can give the description of my project. I've already got the description. Like what is it a job I have done over here? What are the business problem I've solved? What kind of problem I face? So I put it everything over here. Or if you don't know anything about what you should put, you can say write with AI, right? So AI will automatically write the description for you. Okay. Tech, what are the technique you have used? Let's say I use Power BI, I use Excel. Let me remove this W part, SQL. So these are the skill I have used. Thumbnail. Let's say I need to put a thumbnail. Let's say I select the image and put it over here. So I can select the thumbnail as well. One second. Okay, now this is part done. Now over here you will see include in this resume. So if you click on this one, remove from this resume, this project will be not show in your resume, but it will be show in this project section, right? The reason behind is that, let's say come over here in this section where you will see the project portfolio, right? And if you click on this portfolio website, this is the website where it will show all of your projects, all of your summary, all of the informations, right? Whether they wanted to connect with you, all the skills that you have learned, what is the education, what is the experience that you know, and all these are the projects that you have. Right now, let's say you put it 8 projects, but you want to show all the 8 projects, but you want to show only 2 projects in your resume. So if you click on this one, remove from this project will be not show in your resume, but it will show in your website, right? So I will click add this in my resume, click on save button. Similarly, I'm going to use for the second one. So why you have a question like why is this a 2 project showing? Because when I have uploaded my resume, in my resume I have a 2 projects. That's why I'm getting these 2 projects. So what will I do? I will copy these details which I have. Let's say I want to give this title Global Python's game using Python. So I'll give it over here. I can give the link. You can give your LinkedIn post link. I can give the description. So what will I do? I will copy this description and put it over here. Copy the description. You can create it from the AI as well. And then these are the tools which I've worked. Now in the thumbnail, let me add some thumbnail over here. Let's say I'm going to add this thumbnail. Okay, this thumbnail is added over here, and let's upload this thumbnail for this project as well. Now let's say this is thumbnail I've uploaded. Now if you click on save project, now the good part over here, this is the section that you need to come up, the one which we have added, portfolio. The portfolio, once you see on the portfolio, on the top of it, this is the URL, right? Portfolio slash TA2. Let's say you want to give Naveed. Click check Naveed, click on save. So my URL become Naveed, right? Now I'll give you more things about the URL. Now if you come over here, copy this URL and put it into the new tab. This is the portfolio slash Naveed because this is your project. If you click over here, anyone can access your projects, anyone can access their see your projects. Now let me update the website, update this website. Right now let me refresh it over here. Now you will see once I've updated, all of my sections will come up. Now what you need to do exactly, come over here. This is some buttons over here. If you click over here, it will land you with section. So these are the 2 projects. If you click on see more, in the see more section, these are the details of your projects, what you have achieved, what are the key features. Right, back to the project. If you want to go to the next one, if you click over here, this is the next one, second one. Right, you can add up to if you are free user, you can add up to 8 projects. Okay, now in the skill section, these are the skill section, these are the experience, education. Now what exactly is good about this one, you can change the template. Let's say you don't like this template, you want to go with the classic one. This is my personal favorite one, where I can see this is looking professionally, where I see my name. Okay, I think I given my half name. This is the summary. You can change the summary. So whatever changes you will do in your resume, that will automatically reflect into your portfolio website, right? These are the two projects. If you click on the see more section, you will get, okay, these are the details that you have, right? If you click on the see more section, these are the details that you have. And these are the experience, skill section, and the educations. So I will highly recommend you to everyone that if you are watching this video, create your website based on your own domain name. Right now, you can showcase your skill, you can showcase your experience, the projects, which is one of the main thing, that how do you showcase your projects. So that's why we created this website. Now share it with your friends and the colleagues, and you can showcase your this link which it created from over here. This link you can use into your resume as well, and also you can share it in your social media platform like LinkedIn, Naukri, or you can share with your recruiters, right? Or you can screenshot of your portfolio website and put it into your LinkedIn as well. So if you find any bugs, anything did you want to add the feature in this website, please give us the feedback. The mail is given in the description as well. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.